Hello and welcome to our Alaska cruise tour. So we have been in Anchorage for a couple days and that video has already come out. We did Anchorage, Kenai Fjords, and now we have met up with Holland America. We are doing a cruise tour with them, which means that we have a land portion and then a cruise portion. So in this video, I want to tell you all about how the beginning of our land portion works, which is that we checked into this hotel. We're staying at the Captain Cook Hotel in downtown Anchorage. And then tomorrow we are getting on the McKinley Explorer, which is the railroad that will take us up to Denali. So that's what I've got planned in this video for you. And right now I'm not going to do like a whole review of the Captain Cook Hotel because we are just here for one night, but I want to show you around a little bit and kind of what to expect when you are checking in for your cruise tour. Okay, so this is our room at the Captain Cook Hotel. We have double bed room. These are full beds. They are pretty small, so thankfully it is only for one night. And you can see we've already made a mess, have our luggage. And this is the bathroom. It's really, I think it's nice. It has like good space, but it is a little dated, but I do feel like it has some good counter space, which is really nice. Door, TV, and a little desk, and then a chair here, another little sitting area, and we have a very nice view of, I believe these are the Chugach Mountains and of course downtown Anchorage. So we're going to go walk around the hotel a little bit and kind of explore, and I'm going to show you where the check-in desk is for Holland America and stuff like that. Okay, so when we checked in, we came here. Just off from the lobby there is a Holland America and Princess Cruise Line desks, and they got us all squared away with our stuff for tomorrow. So this is the pantry, which is where we'll probably eat breakfast in the morning. We have to leave at 8:15, or we leave at 8:30. We meet in the lobby at 8:15. So we'll probably come down here and eat breakfast before we go. Lots of nods to seafaring in this hotel. Okay, so this is how it kind of worked. We picked up this packet that tells us that our luggage gets picked up at 6. Our transfer to the train station is at 8:30, and our train leaves at 9:15. It tells us what rail car we're in. It tells us what seat we have. Then it tells us how the tags work. So I'll go ahead and show you. We have different tags. So these go on our luggage that is going to Denali, and it says join me tonight. So both of those go on the luggage going to the Denali Lodge that we're staying at. And then these say join me on board. These are going to go straight to the ship. So we are not even going to see these bags in Denali. And then we have some luggage tags we printed out at home that are going to go along with these. But I do need to think about how I'm going to pack, because I still need things after 6 o'clock in the morning. So I got to figure out what can fit in my backpack, like toiletry wise, dirty pajamas wise, and all that kind of stuff. So a little bit of a challenge. We're going to figure it out. Okay, so I'm talking really quiet because Evelyn's asleep, but we got all our tags on our luggage and they're sitting here ready to go in the morning. So each one has 2 tags, either if it's going on the ship or going to Denali with us. And they said they will just open that door at 6 in the morning and grab all these bags. And then we'll be on our way to Denali tomorrow. Good morning and welcome to our McKinley Explorer day. So they came and got our luggage. They said to have it ready about 6 o'clock, and they came and got it probably about 6:30. I'm sure they have a lot of luggage to get starting at 6. So now it is just before 7. We're going to head downstairs and get some breakfast, and then we meet downstairs in the lobby at 8:15 to get on the buses to head to the train station at 8:30. Okay, so just a pro tip, if you're coming down to breakfast, if you're staying at the Captain Cook for your cruise tour, come down early and get on the list. There was like a 20-minute wait. Thankfully, my parents came down and got us on the list, so we were able to sit right down when we came downstairs. But it is very crowded down here. Okay, so we've made it onto the train. I'm guessing there's going to be people that come sit behind us. We have these nice full windows for full views. We're on here for like 8 hours. We're going to have lunch on here and get up to Denali. Okay, so we are moving slowly. And We got on the train, and we got some things like a guide of different excursions, a guide to the train, just different things about the train, things you can buy, and the menu for what you can get up here with drinks, cocktails, beer, wine, and some snacks and desserts. So they also just came through and asked who wants to go eat breakfast downstairs. We just ate breakfast, so we're not going to go down. We're going to go down for lunch, though. So we just came out the back of the train. Our seats are in the rear car of the train, but you can come out here no matter what car you're on, and you can come to the very back of the train for some really great views. It's really cool. I think it's fun to stand out here. So there is a map up here. It's in the back here. I'm sure they're inside somewhere too, that shows exactly how our train journey is going. So we started down here in Anchorage. We haven't been on the train for super long, maybe an hour. And then we're up there, and we're going all the way up here to Denali. Okay, so we came down for lunch to a dining car that's just downstairs from where we are upstairs, and here is the menu. And we are stopped right now in Talkeetna because there are trains that are changing and people are getting off, but we are not. That's really good. That brownie is so rich and very sweet.
That looks delicious.
And we're passing another train that's going by because these all share tracks, and so they have to split at times and take turns on the tracks. So we're passing each other, and then we'll get back on the single track. So one thing I don't like, we just got our information for our schedule in Denali, and you don't get to pick when your Tundra Wilderness Tour is. And we have 8:40. I would love to go earlier because then we can do more that afternoon because it's about a 5 or 6 hour tour. So I'm a little bit disappointed about that. We're going to see if we can switch someone, but it would be nice if they would let you pick your time or say whether you have a time preference, or just because there's several people on here that are not very happy with the time that they got. So that would be a nice change. Okay guys, so we saw Denali. Only 30% of the people who come to Denali National Park see Denali. Garrett was in an Uber this morning, and he said his driver said he knows people that have climbed Denali for a month and never seen it. So we got to see the peak. There were clouds kind of above it and below it, but the peak was peeking through, and we got to see it. So that was really awesome. And I think we have about an hour or two left in our train trip, and then we will be in Denali. Okay, so this is super interesting. Our conductor has to get out and manually switch the tracks. And I guess when the other train goes past, she'll have to switch it again. I'm not sure. Or maybe she has to switch it on the other side. She's going to come get back on our train, and then when we get to the other part, she has to get off again and put it back. And here comes the other train.
1801, 4319 south at Honolulu, exit 1, 791 is going.
Okay, we made it to the bus station. So we're going to get off, go to our assigned zones, and get on a bus to go to our room. Okay, we made it to our Holland America Lodge. It's really nice because it's raining and they have covered walkways between the buildings, at least at the upper part of the lodge, which is where we are. So we're going to go find our room and kind of get settled in. So we are checked into our room at the McKinley Lodge, which is the Holland America property. It is bigger than I expected. So I'm standing at the front door right now, and we have a desk and a rocking chair and a couch in this area. And then our suitcases are already here, which is really nice. And then in here is the bedroom. And we have a bathroom right here with a shower and the toilet and towels. And then, interesting though, that the sink is not in the bathroom. The sink is outside of the bathroom right here. And then, a perfect room for us, it has a single bed and a double bed with a nightstand in between. And then we have TV, dresser, there's a closet in here with like a fan and a luggage rack and stuff. So this is our home for the next 2 nights. Let's see what our view is. Oh, we can kind of see some of the games that are down there. There's like an archery thing, Connect 4, and we are right behind that building right there with the bigger window is the main lobby area of the lodge. So we are super close to it, and down there you can see how they have the covered walkways between the buildings. Okay, so we are ordering some boxed lunches so we can take them on our tour tomorrow. You have to put your order in by 8 p.m. These are the options. We're going to get some turkey sandwiches, but this way we can eat while we're on the tour and then go straight to the rest of Denali afterwards to do some hiking and some other activities. So this is the main Holland America Lodge, the lobby, and the guest services desk. And there's the coffee bar and kind of breakfast place here, which is where we got our, after the dog statue, where we got our box lunches from over here. And then back here, there's restaurants. And here is where you catch all the buses and excursions. One other thing is we sat with some very nice ladies from New York on the train, and they switched tours with us. So we get to go an hour earlier, they get to go an hour later. I think everyone was happy with that arrangement. Tonight we are doing an excursion. We're doing Black Diamond. We're doing a covered wagon ride with dinner to start our time in Denali. Also, while I'm thinking about it, one thing I want to say is that Princess and Holland are very connected. So they are separate cruise lines, but they're also connected. Their lodges are right next door to each other. We were actually on an old Princess train car, even though we're with Holland America. So you'll find some interchangeable things with how they operate. So that is pretty much a wrap on our train to Denali day. The train experience was amazing. The rail car was fun. The food was good. Standing on the back of the train was my absolute favorite part. We saw a couple moose, and the scenery, especially after Talkeetna, is just beautiful. And every side of the train, it doesn't matter what side you're sitting on. Your seats are assigned, so you don't get to pick, and it's just gorgeous. And we saw amazing views of Mount Denali, which is not very common at all. And then checked in here. Then we had that dinner excursion. It lasted a little longer than I expected, but it was good. The food was good. It was fun to like meet some other people, and our guide had so many interesting facts. We learned so much about the animals in the park and the geology of the park and the history of Alaska. It was full of information. It was really great. So we are going to bed. Tomorrow we are going to explore Denali National Park for the day. So that'll be another video, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to hit subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it or the rest of my Alaska videos that are coming, and I will see you next time.